Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine CapCut effects. So here I've already added a video to CapCut and I'm going to add effects into it, and I want to show you how to combine two or more effects to your video in CapCut. So first I'm going to add the first effect. Just go to effects and click on video effects. And here I'm going to use maybe this color edge. No, I'm going to just use the hello blur, and then I'm going to apply it to the whole video like this, and then I'm going to add another effects. So just go to effects again, click on video effects and choose another one. I'm going to use this one. Click you can adjust it, but if you're fine with it, just click on a check icon, and you see there is two effects into my video, and here is the result. Okay, so basically you can just add more effects, but I think it might make the apps runs more slower like this. So yeah, you can try that. Okay guys, so that is how we can combine CapCut effects. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.